Boost your confidence. 7 Stoic lessons to overcome insecurity and transform your life. Master your mind with Marcus Aurelius. An inspirational guide. Mastering your mind is one of the most powerful steps you can take toward building confidence and living a fulfilling life. Marcus Aurelius, the great Stoic philosopher and Roman emperor, offers timeless wisdom that can inspire and guide us on this journey. Here's how his teachings can help you master your mind and transform your life. We welcome you to our YouTube channel, and you can also get notifications of our new videos if you subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell icon. Our beginning, Lao 1, Master your mind. Our minds are not just the sum of our thoughts, they are the architects of our reality. To master your mind is to embark on a profound journey of self-awareness and self-mastery. It's about understanding the intricate workings of your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, and learning to wield them with intention and clarity. This journey is not a sprint, but a marathon, requiring patience, discipline, and compassion towards oneself. When you master your mind, you transcend the limitations of self-doubt and fear, unlocking the boundless potential that resides within you. It's a journey of empowerment, where you reclaim control over your destiny and shape the narrative of your life with purpose and conviction. Lucre 2. Embrace your perspective. The beauty of humanity lies in its diversity of perspectives. Each of us views the world through a unique lens shaped by our upbringing, experiences, and cultural background. To embrace your perspective is to honor the richness of your own viewpoint while embracing the tapestry of perspectives that make up the fabric of our society. It's about recognizing that true wisdom arises not from uniformity of thought, but from the vibrant exchange of ideas and viewpoints. When you embrace your perspective, you cultivate empathy, understanding, and interconnectedness with those around you. It's a celebration of individuality within the collective, fostering a world where differences are not just tolerated, but celebrated as sources of strength and growth. There are 3. Live true to yourself. In a world that often pulls us in countless directions, living true to yourself is an act of radical authenticity. It means having the courage to listen to the whispers of your heart amidst the cacophony of external expectations and societal norms. Living true to yourself requires a deep sense of self-awareness and unwavering commitment to your values and passions. It's about carving out your own path, even if it means forging ahead alone. When you live true to yourself, you radiate an undeniable authenticity that inspires others to do the same. It's a beacon of light in a world often dimmed by conformity, reminding us that true fulfillment lies in honoring the essence of who we are. Lucre 4. Be present. The present moment is not just a fleeting interval between past and future. It is the very essence of life itself. To be present is to cultivate a state of mindfulness and awareness in our daily lives. It's about anchoring ourselves in the here and now, fully embracing the richness of each moment as it unfolds. Being present requires a conscious effort to let go of the regrets of the past and the anxieties of the future, and to simply be with what is. When you are present, you awaken to the beauty and wonder that surrounds you, finding joy in the simple pleasures of existence. It's a practice that grounds us in reality, reminding us that life is not a destination to be reached, but a journey to be savored one moment at a time.
5. Turn obstacles into opportunities. Life is a journey filled with twists and turns, challenges and setbacks. Yet, within every obstacle lies the seed of opportunity waiting to be discovered. To turn obstacles into opportunities is to adopt a mindset of resilience and resourcefulness in the face of adversity. It's about reframing setbacks not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones on the path to growth and self-discovery. Turning obstacles into opportunities requires a willingness to embrace discomfort, to learn from failure, and to harness adversity as a catalyst for personal transformation. When you turn obstacles into opportunities,
you reclaim agency over your life, turning setbacks into springboards for success. It's a testament to the power of human resilience and the indomitable spirit that resides within each of us. Number 6. Reflect and grow. Self-reflection is the cornerstone of personal growth and self-discovery. It's about taking a deliberate pause in the hustle and bustle of life to look inward and examine our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors with honesty and curiosity. Reflecting on our experiences allows us to gain invaluable insights into ourselves, uncovering patterns and beliefs that may be holding us back from reaching our full potential. It's a process of continuous learning and evolution, where every setback becomes a lesson, and every success becomes a stepping stone to greater heights. When you embrace reflection, you cultivate a growth mindset that empowers you to navigate life's challenges with wisdom and resilience. It's a journey of self-discovery that leads to greater self-awareness, fulfillment, and authenticity. 7. Trust your inner strength. Deep within the recesses of our being lies a wellspring of resilience and courage waiting to be tapped into. It's the quiet voice of intuition that whispers, "You are stronger than you know," even in the darkest of times. To trust your inner strength is to have faith in your own abilities and convictions, even when the world around you seems to be crumbling. It's about drawing upon your inner resources, your resilience, determination, and perseverance to weather the storms of life with grace and resilience. Trusting your inner strength requires a deep sense of self-belief and unwavering confidence in your ability to overcome whatever challenges come your way. When you trust your inner strength, you become a force to be reckoned with, capable of surmounting any obstacle and realizing your deepest aspirations. It's a testament to the power of the human spirit and the limitless potential that resides within each and every one of us.